I'm Bill Collins with Interstate Truck Driving School in South St. Paul, Minnesota with some big news. As of September 18, 2018, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration has made a big change regarding drivers that are insulin dependent. Let me read this to you because I want to get it right. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration has announced a streamlined process to allow individuals with properly managed diabetes to operate commercial motor vehicles. The rule enables certified medical examiners to grant an individual with insulin-treated diabetes a medical examiner certificate for up to 12 months. So not even a waiver is required anymore. Now you still need your doctor's approval attesting to the fact that you would be safe with the properly treated diabetes to operate a commercial motor vehicle. But this is big. This is going to affect literally thousands of people who ran across a roadblock in the past and were prohibited from driving commercial motor vehicles because they were insulin dependent. So if this affects you or if someone you know, check this out. This is, again, going to open the door to a lot of people. So we're really excited about this. We're excited that it's going to help people get into the industry, help solve the driver shortage, because there are many more jobs than there are drivers to go around. So check this out. I'm Bill Collins with Interstate Truck Driving School in South St. Paul, Minnesota. Have a good day. More important, have a safe day.